Get scratching.
Alright, what's up guys? We're back in the shop tonight doing Mustang stuff. I'm gonna be working on the inside of the dash in the like what's under the cowl. I'm gonna be prepping it to POR 15 it because it's got a lot of surface rust. So I need to strip it. I got the wire harness already pulled out and we're ready to start basically prepping the underside to get it ready.
I like everything about you.
Alright, so this is quite a task, stripping the inside of the dash, the area that sits right under the cowl panel. I'll give you a look at what I got so far. I mean, it's really a lot of work, but take a look. You can see I've got a lot of the surface stuff off. I'm gonna go in and kind of hand scuff a lot of this, clean it up real nice, and then get the POR 15 on it. Yep, let's keep going.
Everything about you. about you. Everything about you. Oh yeah, wait till we love you forevermore. Oh yeah.
Alright, so we got the inside of the dash POR 15'd. It looks pretty good, looks decent. Yeah, so now I can start prepping to put the cowl into place and move along. You know what to do. Subscribe, comment, like it, help me out.